Hey there, LinkedIn enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest social media tips to help you level up your professional game. Today, we're tackling how to repost on LinkedIn app in 2025. With LinkedIn constantly evolving, reposting is a fantastic way to share valuable content, engage with your network, and boost your visibility without creating everything from scratch. It's quick, easy, and can even help you build credibility. So, if you're ready to master this feature, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the LinkedIn app updated to the latest version for 2025. This ensures you have all the new tools at your fingertips. Open the app and log in to your account. Now, scroll through your feed or search for the post you want to repost. Once you've found it, tap on the post to open it fully. Next, look for the share icon. It's usually a paper airplane or arrow symbol at the bottom of the post. Tap that, and you'll see options like Repost or Share. Select Repost to proceed. Here's where it gets fun. LinkedIn might prompt you to add your own comment or thoughts. This is your chance to personalize it. Write a quick note explaining why you're sharing it, like "Great insights on AI trends, worth a read," to add value and spark conversation. After that, hit the Post button, and voila, your repost is live. But wait, before you go, let's cover a few best practices. Always credit the original poster if possible, keep your comments professional and engaging, and use reposting strategically to align with your personal brand. Remember, in 2025, LinkedIn's algorithm favors interactive content, so reposting with your twist could increase your reach. There you have it. Reposting on LinkedIn made simple. Give it a try today and watch your network grow. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.